Okay, reports you are doing a power sliding on the track. Nice.
Yeah.
Please don't finish video. I want to go home. Direct manual, huh?
Yeah, Emmanuel. And then we want to make sure that we get back to this curb, we stay in the middle, we turn a little bit, and then we're going to brake here, soft brake, down a gear, around. We look at the exit, and then we're now looking at the apex, so you're always looking 1.5 steps ahead. And then we keep it wide here. And then again, I'm looking at the exit, so you always look 1.5 steps ahead.
You can feel the heavy weight, huh?
Yeah, it's a heavy car.
Very fast car, huh?
I have so much traction control.
It's on, it's on.
Yeah.
Oh, did you turn it off?
Yeah, it's okay.
Although you're braking late, you can also catch up, huh?
I still have traction control on.
There is traction management actually.
There we go.
It will help you in the turns.
Yeah.
Better than
I don't want the help. Right, so starting a lap, so we're going to be braking where the tarmac changes. So we're going to be braking at the tarmac now, hard on the brake. Big heavy car, get it turned, stay nice and tight through here on the power, on the curb there, nice and smooth through here. We need to get to that second curb, keep squeezing the power. We're going to just nip over here just a little bit. Little brake, down a gear, roll over, playing with the brake and the throttle. So go nice and deep into this. Everything I do is nice and smooth and predictable. Back onto the power. It's got so much grunt, the revs are really low, like it feels like it wants to keep on accelerating past 7,000. Brake nice and heavy at the end. Down into second, you can feel the weight here. Just playing a little bit. Nip past these guys. Back on the power. You can have a little roll off the power just through here. Heavy on the brakes. This is where the car feels heavy. Going to the final corner, you're going to brake just before the 50 just to get this thing to slow down. Get it to rotate. And the curves are smooth. And the fuel's incredible. What have we done? 3 laps and we've used a quarter of a tank.
Like now I feel I don't know nothing about cars. You're driving, mashallah, another level.
But you have to be smooth with your hands unless you react. It took a little bit of time to get used to where I can change gear. Like in my head I want it to rev to 8,000.
You know how to drift? You know how to drift?
Yeah, I can play.
Oh, this is my friend. He will be shocked how you drive like this.
Drifting.
Because your car control very professional.
I've raced for so many years.
Yeah, bro, mashallah, I see. I feel like beginner, nothing, I don't know.
But this is where, like, if you have an instructor and then you learn, but this car is very heavy. Like, the power is incredible,
Yeah.
but the stopping and the cornering, especially on the small corners, is,
You can feel it, huh? Understand?
yeah, you can feel
So,
it struggles a little bit.
if I did some weight saving, it would be.
Yeah, if you did some weight saving with this, it'd be incredible.
Hi sir, we got the reports you are doing a power sliding on the track.